Hello everyone. Today we will show you how to install the WaterDrop G2 Reverse Osmosis water filtration system. These are the required tools. First, open the box and inspect all the components. Step 1. Install the feed water adapter. Shut off the water supply. Turn on the kitchen faucet to release the water pressure. Disconnect the cold water pipe from the cold water supply valve. Twist the feed water adapter onto the cold water supply valve with its washer and tighten it with an adjustable wrench. Twist the cold water pipe with its washer onto the feed water adapter and tighten with an adjustable wrench. If the cold water pipe is 1/2 inch, unscrew the two converters from the feed water adapter firstly. Step 2. Install the RO faucet. Insert the faucet spout into the faucet body. Insert the faucet stem into the hole on the countertop. Under the sink, install the mounting washer on the faucet stem, slip on the nut, and tighten it up. Insert the quick connect fitting onto the faucet stem fully and firmly. Connect the white 1/4 inch tubing to the quick connect fitting. Step 3. Install the drain saddle. Choose a spot on the drain pipe that is convenient for installing the drain saddle and drill a 1/4 inch hole. Slip the front plate to one end of the tubing without mark and insert the tubing into the drilled hole up to about 0.6 inches. Fix the drain saddle with screws and install the lock clip on the fitting to secure the connection. Step 4. Position the RO system housing. Check and ensure there is sufficient space under the countertop to install the system. Make sure there is a power outlet nearby. Do not place the housing against the cabinet. Step 5. Connect tubing. Connect the input water tubing from the feed water adapter to the input water port. Connect the filtered water tubing from the RO faucet to the filtered water port. Connect the wastewater tubing from the drain saddle to the wastewater port. Put the blue lock clip on the fitting. It will lock the tubing in place and prevent it from falling off. Step 6. Start up the system. Turn on the cold water supply valve and feed water adapter. Insert the power plug into the socket. Turn on the faucet to let water run for 30 minutes until the filtering indicator on the front panel changes from flashing to permanent blue. Confirm the 30-minute flushing is completed before turning off the RO faucet. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the RO system. Enjoy clean and refreshing water with WaterDrop now.